in how many ways 3 people can be arranged from a group of 10 people. So here if you look at the thing, it is not like the previous thing. If there are 2 and 3, we can just give by writing things, but here when number of people got increased, you can go, the best thing what you can do is, here you want to pick 3 people from a group of 10 people, so you draw 3 slots. So in first slot you can take any person from out of the 10 persons. So first slot you can fill it in 10 ways, and similarly if one person was already filled, you will be left out with 9 persons, and second slot you can fill it in 9 ways, and third slot you will left out with 8 persons, and third slot you can fill it in 8 ways. So total possibilities here will be 10 into 9 into 8, which is equals to 720 ways. Now if the same thing if you want to do with combination, in how many ways we can select 3 people from a group of 10 people. So here the previous question, it is an arrangement. Here they are asking in how many ways you can select. So here also the same thing, draw 3 slots. Why? Because we want to select 3 people. So in first slot you can fill it in 10 ways, and second slot in 9 ways, and third slot in 8 ways. So here when it is a selections problem, once after filling all the people, then divide with the slot number. You divide the first slot with 1, and second slot with 2, and third slot with 3. So the value will be 120 ways. Now it is nothing but, so here these slots whatever we are doing, it is similar like your formulas. So you know NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So when you apply the same thing for your question, so it will be 10p3. So 10p3 is nothing but 10 factorial by 10 minus 3 factorial. So it is 10 factorial by 7 factorial. So if you cancel the 7 factorial and 7 factorial in both numerator and denominator, you are going to get the same thing, which is nothing but 10 into 9 into 8. So similarly for selections, NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial multiplied with r factorial. So here if you take this, apply this for the previous question, so it will be 10c3. 10c3 is equal to 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 3 factorial, and finally you are going to get 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, so which is same as your slots method. So rather than going for the formulas, it is better to just keep these things in your mind. If it is a selection question, just multiply the things and divide with your slot number. If it is arrangement question, don't divide with your slot number, just multiply the number.